Well, I saw a post on Facebook regarding like Miata. They got in after work at LKQ. So I checked my local one and I saw there was an NB that came 2 days ago. And I went to go check it out for the soft top because in the photos they didn't have any. I'll show you the photos right here. But yeah, you can see it was just the top tops you can see in it. So I went to go look at it, and I saw it had the roll bar. And I only went with a screwdriver and a flathead because I was just gonna go look and get some emblems. Some guy helped me out and got everything out, and yes, I had the roll bar in there, so I had to get that. That's the soft top. It came with. Well, I grabbed the brackets. And I only paid 30 bucks for this hard roll bar. So I think it's a come up on my end. But yeah, this is gonna be going in the Miata. Finally something. Next is probably gonna be a soft top. Yep. Wheels. Still working on it. Painting. Some of this gloss black with some clear after. I'll redo the black of the Miata. Alright, well, I'm gonna be putting the roll cage. So I'm gonna take out the seats to make it easier. And I'm gonna slowly start taking all the trims off. This little stock bar I have here off, and then make my way. So yeah, seats are removed. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking some of this stuff off and get to it. My Miata came with someone like put this custom little box in. So I'm probably gonna have to remove these screws, get that out. I don't think they're gonna be in the way. We'll find out. So yeah, I'm gonna get all this removed. Alright, so we test fitting. Not too bad in the NAs, but we're cutting some pieces out right now. On this side too. I'm gonna bend it and cut it off. I'm having saran wrap, that way I don't freaking scratch it too much, but not too bad. Still got quite a ways for this to fit flush. Update you as soon as I can. And to bend this until my brother gets some pliers. He gives me these. How the hell am I gonna bend that with these little things? Alright, so I skipped a lot of parts and I finally got it on. It barely clears the speakers they put in. As you can see, barely any clearance. But yeah, I'll show you a little bit more ones later on today. So far I like it. Went for a drive. Feels a lot more stiff, less bouncy, like, or bumps, like less like noise, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so this is how it looks with the roll bar. Yeah, glass, so it don't really fold down all the way. It hits like the bottom bar. And this is my paint job I did. Not the best, a little dusty. But not too bad. And the car cover keeps falling off of this car. Yep. Yeah, like day 4 of this install. So I just gotta cut this piece, and I cut some pieces. I'll probably cut under here. I bent. I never actually cut it off. So just move it. Hard to see. There's like metal sticking up. I'm gonna cut And then cut these guys to make this fit. I believe this one goes here. Just like that. I already cut it for the M Edition bar, but I gotta already cut this in half in order to fit with the roll bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and update you what progress I made. I don't like how it's coming out already. So the handy dandy Dremel I'm gonna use in some of these cutting bits. Always wear safety glasses for this one because I always get stuff in my eye. Yep. Alright, so cutting it, so this is how it came out. I didn't hold it down that good and it slipped. But let me see, this is how it looks. After I cut it, still gotta put these bolts back on. This is from when I had the M Edition. I had to cut it because it wasn't meant for it. But this is the piece I actually cut out right here. So on this side, if you want to do like me, probably come out a little bit better. Let's see. I went straight from here and cut it straight up to a certain point, and I just turned it. So I'll show you right now. I'm gonna cut it again like how I did it. So first I'm gonna cut it right here straight up, and then after that I'll show you the next part. All right, so this is a piece I cut off right now. Like I said, it's followed this line and this went straight up. So now let me put this on the other side. All right, so it goes here. Let me grab this piece real quick and leave that up. All right, so the first piece is in. Yours won't look like this probably, but yeah, so this first piece is in. You can see where I cut it. Just don't forget this little clip. Leave it up. All right, I'm gonna remove these and let me show you the other cut. So kind of the same thing. I'm gonna cut this line right here. Just follow this line. But I'm gonna still go up and make a sharper right. See how I did this side. So it's like this far, going down, and meet up, down like right here, and then go boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you right now. All right, so this is how I cut it. Cut a little bit too much. Again, it's whatever. Let's see how it fits. I might just take it off and cut that little piece off if it's not too noticeable. It's not too bad. Can't even see that cut I actually did. But yeah, here it is. This is how it looks. It's gonna look under. But you're gonna have the cover over it like this. So you're barely gonna see anything, honestly. Like that. Maybe eventually I'll get me another piece and cover this up. Or fix that with another piece. Alright, I'm gonna blot all these down. And yeah, here it is. Yeah, so I haven't been really doing too much of this Miata, but after getting this roll bar, maybe Project Miata has started. Still a little stuff I need to do. The only thing I did before the roll bar was, you see my other video, the quick release. Still holding up well. No issues with that. I put some cleaner on the dash, which I'm probably put some here and see how bright it brings it out. But yeah, so hopefully more to this. Probably gonna get some rims and some coilovers or springs. I don't know, whatever comes first. This is straight budget on this car. Yep, shout out to my brother for helping me. If anyone knows what kind of hard bar this is, just let me know. Well, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna get more stuff for this. Acro wheels. Might get tires soon, might mount them up, so stay tuned for that. Yep, here it is. I know I need to fix that.